Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a cheeseburger croissant ring. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of ground beef, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo light seasoning or the seasoning of your choice, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of sesame seed, pickles, 1/3 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 4 slices of American cheese, and we're also going to need 2 packs of the 8-count croissants. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is get our ground beef, and we're going to put our seasonings onto it. Now we're just going to go in and mix our ground beef until everything is well combined. Now we're going to heat up our frying pan on a medium-low flame. Okay, once your frying pan is heated, we're going to go ahead and add in our ground beef. Now all I'm going to do is just go in and break up the ground beef, and we're just going to cook it until everything turns brown. Okay guys, once your ground beef is done, all we're going to do is go ahead and remove it from our pan to drain any excess grease. So I'm going to get a plate and line it with a paper towel. Okay guys, once you've drained all the grease from your ground beef, all we're going to do is return it back to the frying pan. Okay guys, now you want to add in your ketchup and also the shredded cheddar cheese, and all we're going to do is mix until it's well combined and the cheese is melted. Remember, you're over a medium-low flame. Okay guys, once your cheese has melted and everything is well combined, we're going to go ahead and sit that in a bowl and put it to the side. Okay guys, now you can heat your oven to 375 degrees. We're going to get a cookie sheet, and we're going to go ahead and place a piece of parchment paper on top. Now we're going to go ahead and open our croissants and separate them. Once our croissants are separated, we're just going to put the flat side in, and we're just going to overlap them like so. And we're just going to go around the whole cookie sheet until it forms a circle. Okay guys, it should look like this. Next, we're just going to go ahead and spoon our burger mixture onto our croissants, and we're going to go around the whole circle like that. Okay guys, once you're done with your burger mixture, we're going to go ahead and take our pickles, and we're just going to go on top and around the whole circle. Okay guys, once you're done with that, we're going to take our cheddar cheese and we're going to place it right on top of our pickles, just like so. Okay guys, this is what it looks like now. Now all you want to do is grab the end of your croissant. We're going to bring it over and we're going to tuck it underneath securely, just like that. So we're going to go around the whole ring. Okay guys, so this is what it should look like. And guys, it's okay if you can see some of the ground beef and the cheese. That'll be fine, just as long as you tucked everything in nice and tightly underneath. Okay, so now I have some water. I'm going to wet my brush, and I'm just going to go over the croissants just like this. We're going to go around the whole croissant with the water. Okay guys, once you're done with that, I'm going to grab some sesame seeds, and all we're going to do is sprinkle them over top. Okay guys, now it's ready to go into the oven, 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, our cheeseburger croissant ring is now done. So all we're going to do is go ahead and let that cool off for 10 minutes. Okay guys, this is our cheeseburger croissant ring. You can add some lettuce and tomato in the center. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it for you and let you see how it looks. Okay guys, look how pretty that is inside. It's nice and golden and cheesy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.